So you can see that this works in maintaining a cohesive relationship between your drums, your bass, leads, you name it. Give this a try, and I promise you it's going to change your mixing life. What's up? It's your boy Michael Faze, and today I'm going to show you a mastering trick that is going to save you so much time when you're mixing. So post-editing Mike here. I forgot to mention in the video that the plugin that we're going to be using today is Pro L2 from FabFilter, and that the purpose of doing this trick is so that you can clip the sound and not go above a certain range of decibels and have a very tight mix. You can use this to either saturate your sound and still have a very clean signal, or you can do it very aggressively and it should give you a very flat signal, kind of like a brick, you know what I mean? Sorry, children. So this needs to be used specifically on buses, because imagine having 30 Pro Ls opened on each channel. It would be insane and your CPU would fry. Okay? Watch the rest of the video and let me know if you have any more questions. Leave them in the comments section of the video. I will answer them. Cease, Michael, really? Peace. So the first thing we're going to do is set the attack all the way up, the release time all the way down, transients all the way down, release time all the way down, and the look ahead all the way down. The reason I'm setting the attack all the way up is so you can catch the peaks, and the release times all the way down so you can get the fastest release time possible when the signal comes back up. Same thing with the look ahead, which could also introduce some soft clipping, which is why you want to turn your oversampling up as high as your computer can handle. Next, you're gonna change modern in style to aggressive. Now, in order to get this trick to work, you need to make sure that you go to the out and you click 1-to-1, which is going to create a unity gain. And so what that's going to do is that as soon as I push the gain up, it's going to clip the signal at the point that is going to. So right now I have it at +8, so it should be clipping the signal to -8 dB. So let's check it out. I am so sorry to interrupt it, but I forgot to mention one final detail, and that is when is too much and when is it too little. All right, so let's go. All right, so you can hear immediately that the sound is going way too into the red and is just way too aggressive. I can easily tame this using this trick. So I'm going to show you what it sounds like with it on and the current settings that I have. Already, that's like miles ahead different than what you heard previously. So I'm gonna turn up the gain on this plugin so you can hear when is it too much. You're gonna hear that I'm going to lose volume and that some artifacts are gonna be introduced into the high end. Right there, that sounds pretty bad, and I'm not sure that I would want that in my mix, so I'm gonna bring it back down until it sounds good to my ears. So +8 sounds good to me. I'm not gonna change it from there. It sounds pretty good. I'm going to turn back shaper box on, and yeah, that was pretty much the trick. So you can see that this works in maintaining a cohesive relationship between your drums, your bass, leads, you name it. Give this a try, and I promise you it's going to change your mixing life. If you enjoyed that trick and it helped you out, make sure to smash that like button and leave a comment letting me know if this trick worked for you. And if you like the sounds that were in this demo, check out my new serum pack called Bass House Vol.2. It's out now for you to use in your next production. Link is in the description. My name is Michael Faze, and I'll see you on the next one. You can use this trick aggressively. I can't fucking take it seriously anymore. Oh my Lord. Okay, let's try this again.